Hello everyone. In previous tutorial, we had learned how to create tables in HTML. In today's tutorial, we will learn the various attributes that can be used with the table tr, td and th tags. First of all, let's see what are the various attributes of table tag. First of all, border attribute that we had used yesterday also in the previous tutorial to give borders around the cells. Next is border color. We can specify the color of your border. Then BG color. As we specify the background color for a web page, similarly we can specify the background color of table by using the BG color attribute. Align. To specify the position of the table, whether the table should appear on the left side, right side or the center of the web page. Height, to specify the height of the table, what will be the height of table in the number of pixels. Similarly, we can give the width by using the width attribute. Cell spacing. Cell spacing means the space between two cells in a table. What will be the space between two cells in a table that can be specified, that can be defined by using the cell spacing attribute. Cell padding. Cell padding attribute is used to define the space between the cell border and the text that appear inside the cell. What will be the distance from the border to the text of the cell? That can be defined by using the cell padding option. These values are given in the number of pixels. Now let's use these attributes one by one in HTML coding. This is the already I had created table which we had used in previous tutorial. We had given the border by 2 pixels, border equals to 2 pixels. Now I'm going to give it a border color. Border color, mind it, color without U. BORDER COLOR without space. Border color equals to, give the border color name. Save it. Go to the web browser. Refresh it. See the border color, yellow. Okay. Now we can specify the height and width and also the alignment. Align equals to center. Height equals to, suppose, 200 pixels. Width equals to, suppose, 300 pixels. Let's save it. All the attributes are optional. You can use these attributes as and when required. Go to the browser, refresh it. See, align center. Okay. Now height and width. Height is 300 pixel. Oh, sorry, height is 200 pixel and width is 300 pixels. Come back to the notepad. Now cell spacing and cell padding. One by one. Cell spacing equals to, suppose, 20. Save it. See the effect. The space between cells. Okay. Now again notepad. If you want to reduce it, you can reduce it 10. Now cell padding. Equals to, suppose, 15. Save it. Refresh. See the distance between this cell and cell border and the text. Okay. That is the cell padding, the distance between the cell border and cell. Okay, come back to the browser. Border to, border color yellow. The whole border, all the cell borders are yellow because we had given the border color in table tag. If we use the border color in other tags, that can give the different effect. Suppose I'm giving it 4. Save it. refresh. See, border, cell table border has increased in the number of pixels. Now let's learn the attributes of tr, th and td tags. Only two attributes can be used with the tr, th and td tag. One is align to give the alignment of the text or the whatever data you enter in the cells that can be aligned by using the align attribute. Secondly, we can use the BG color. If we want to give some different background color to any cell, we can give that background color by using the BG color in TH or TD tag. And if we want to give the different background color to the whole row, so we can use the BG color attribute with the TR tag. One important thing. In your books, border color attribute is also given with the TR, TH and TD tag. That attribute is not used with these tags. Border color and border attributes are used only with the table tag. Now let's use these attributes practically in the coding. Suppose here I had already given table border 4, border color equals to yellow, alignment I had given this align attribute in the table tag, align the table on a web page, not the data. This align attribute which we are using in the table tag, this will align the whole table in the center or on the right side of the page or on the left, but it will not align the data which is written in the cells. So to align the data, we will use the align attribute either in tr tag or in th or td tag. Okay, now here I had not given the bg color to the table. Here I am going to give bg color equals to, suppose, blue. Save it, browser, refresh it. See, the BG color is blue. Now come back to the coding. I'm going to give the BG color for first row. As it is my header row, I want to give a different color to this. BG color equals to, suppose, red. Here I'm going to erase it because it will give only color to one cell. Now save it. We can also give align attribute to give the heading in the center of the cell. Align equals to center. Now save it. Come back to the browser. Refresh. When we use the attributes in tr tag, those attributes will apply to the whole row. Okay. Now again, I'm going to give align attribute to this roll number. Align equals to center. I want roll number should appear in the center, name should appear on the left, and grade again also appear on the center of the cell. Align equals to center. Now two cells will display the values in the center and rest of the values will appear on the left hand side. Save it and here refresh. See, roll number 1 in the center and B plus grade in the center, name as it is on the left hand side. We can also give different cell background colors to each cell also. Suppose here I am giving BG color equals to, suppose, white. Again in other cells also I am giving here align equals to center. Again here I want to give the BG color to the name. Align, so BG color equals to white and grade should appear in the center. Align equals to center. Save it, come back to the browser and refresh it. See, we can continue with the same type of coding or we can give the attributes as we required in different cells and in different rows. The time for assignment. Here one table is given You have to write the HTML code to create this table. Also use the same color scheme as given, like the header row background color is red and the rest of the table background color is green. Header row is center aligned. That means the headings, the voter number, voter name, salary, area, gender, all these texts, all these column headings are center aligned. You will use the align equals to center option in the TR tag. Then data values of voter number and gender are also center aligned. That means these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and gender MMF, MM, all these values are center aligned. So you will use the align attribute in TD tag. Okay.